everyone, how are you all doing? I hope each and every one of you are absolutely fine. So my name is Poma Murmu and I am from Jharkhand. So before starting this video, I want to give you a quick disclaimer that I am not going to talk about any kind of grammar and spoken English education. Okay, so this video is a kind of random talks on a random topic. Yes, this is a very good way to practice English. Okay, everything that whatever I am going to tell about in this video, all these are not scripted. Everything will be natural. Every words, every sentences will be natural, and all will be comes from my mind, not from my written text. Okay, so let's start the video. So this, as you know, this is a summer season, and yes, the sun rays are coming on my skin, and also today the sun is not very strong, and because of that I decided to make a video today. Yesterday I also make a video, but I couldn't upload it because yesterday it has been raining very heavily, and because of that I couldn't upload. So now I am standing over the mango tree, and there are lots of mango and in this tree, and this mango tree has been planted by my father to feed my yes, feed us, and also to feed their grandsons and granddaughter. So as you can see behind me, there are lots of plants and flowers and mango plants, mango trees, and also there you can see a bolero which is standing behind me. Okay, and also you can see a lots of weeds, lots of grasses, and lots of greenery around me. So it feels pleasure today. And why I decided to make a video, because today the wind is blowing, because the wind is very cold, and because of that I am feeling very pleasant today. And as you know, I didn't try it out this type of talks, but I am yes, I am eager to try it out so that you can also practice at home like this, and it will definitely improve your English. And you will see there is a rose flower. This is a shrub of rose. Okay, this will not called as plant. It will means it will not called as tree or herb. It is a shrub. Okay, I belong from a science student, then I can differentiate between a herb, shrub, and tree. And also I can see this is, I think this is visible to you. This is a two mango tree, and this mango tree also planted by my father, but there is a big difference between this mango tree. Why? How? Means because this mango tree has another kind of fruit they give, and also this tree, mango tree, also give another kind of fruit. Do you know there is a breed of different, means there are very varieties of fruits of only one item found in India? And if I talk about that, we belong from India, and there are about 25,000 more varieties of mango found in India, from my own data, if I'm not wrong. So I can say that these are the another kind of mango, and this is also the another kind of mango tree. Okay, and also as you can see, let's put the behind the camera. So this is the dramatic leaves. This is very common in Jharkhand, and also this is very common in the scheduled tribes peoples, because I am belong from the community of scheduled tribe, and this is very common in every, every community. The people who belong from these Adivasis, all these domestic leaves are found, especially in Jharkhand. And these domestic leaves is used as medicine, also as a food, and also people used to eat like as a curry. But the main theme and the main, if I go to about a scientific way, if I talk about in a scientific way what is useful of this domestic leaves, then I would say this is a very nutritious, very it has a high percentage of calcium, also it has a high percentage of vitamins, also it has a high kind of proteins available compared to all the foods available in our India. Okay, so let's put this video right now. And yes, I am not seeing any kind of another topic. Okay, so let's make a short video. I'm not trying to make a long video. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video, and please let me know in the comment section if you really like it, if you really enjoy it, and if you really want to practice like me, then please let me know in the comment section that yes, I will definitely practice like this. Okay, bye bye, thank you.